Hello everyone, welcome, and today I want to show us how to manually activate your SSL certificate, to install your SSL certificate using cPanel. Your SSL is what makes our sites to have HTTPS instead of HTTP. So sometimes when you purchase a domain for the first time using Namecheap, and they give you a free SSL for 1 year. So, and you can use this free SSL for 25 websites or 50, I think so. So even if it is domain names, add-on domains, or transferred domains, any domain on that hosting plan or your account has the ability to use this SSL certificate. So let's say you have a Namecheap account and you have purchased domains 5 times and they purchased hosting 3 times. You have a long way to go. You have a very high number of SSL certificates to install. So now I'm going to try to use one of them that has not expired. Each SSL certificate lasts for 1 year because it's free. So there is a hack that you can use if you are using Namecheap. Let's say you have a website that has not expired, or you have a hosting that has not expired, or you have one that you bought that has not expired and you've not used, or you can still reuse it even if the website that you used it on is no longer available. So let's go to Namecheap SSL. Alright, so this is Namecheap SSL. I have a new Namecheap website that I just installed, transferred here. It's an add-on domain. So I want to install an SSL on it. You can see this one has expired, so it's no longer available, but this website has been transferred here and I've installed another SSL on it. So it's still showing this one because of the date differences, but it's active now. So let's look at the ones that are not yet expired and are not active. Alright, so let's look for one. So this one is going to expire by 2023 and I'm not using this landing page anymore. I'm not using this anymore. So let's see what happens when we click on install. Alright, so you see it brings us here. Select where you want to install it. So that SSL expires by 2023 and I want to install it on a website that I just transferred. I'm no longer using that subdomain and it's no longer available. So I want to install this SSL on a new one. So there's a website I just got and this is it. So I want to install it right here. So I select this and admin details, or this doesn't really matter, but fine. Now click on install certificate. So you can see with this hack, even if you have an account that you just bought a new one and you have a website that is old and the SSL is expiring, you can go and create a new domain or just find a way to get a new SSL for a new domain name, then install that SSL on the old one. I hope you understand this. You just need to go to Namecheap SSL and you see a list of active and unused SSLs. You can install it on any domain name that you want. As you can see, this one is pending and it will be in progress. So it's telling me valid for 1 year, so it's not yet expired because it has not been used. So we can click on synchronize and let's see if it is on already. Alright, as you can see, we installed SSL for Speedway and you can see it is active now and everything is ready. So guys, this is how to manually and easily install Namecheap SSL on your cPanel. So thank you for watching.